ঈশাঙ্কের সাথে কথা বলছি on something very interesting, which is past life regression therapy. Recently, Ishank has done this as a course. Is it right to say it's a course?
Yes, as a course,
As a
huh?
course, and he is now a certified practitioner.
Yeah.
So Ishank আমাদের সাথে শেয়ার করবে his experiences and a bit about past life regression. আমি খুব excited because I have no idea. I really don't have much idea. I would say whatever I've read, because I will talk to you. Other than that, we are all ears. So we start with Ishank, please tell us what is past life regression therapy?
So basically, past life regression therapy, अगर if I am to put it very simply, uh, जो therapist होता है, in this case me, हमें इतना equipment या इतना knowledge दिया जाता है कि हम हमारे client को we can take them into their past life. Actual जो पिछला जन्म जिसको कहते हैं हम, right? Movies में दिखाते हैं like now I cannot remember any movie which has past life as much as I'm fascinated by that subject, but जैसे दिखाते मूवीज में यू नो कि कई कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं जिनको अपना पिछला जन्म याद आ जाता है. रिमेम्बर एक करिश्मा कपूर का एक मूवी था, पर कम बैक मूवी, उसमें उन्होंने उनके 3 या 4 पास्ट लाइफ दिखाए थे कैरेक्टर के. सो पास्ट लाइफ थेरेपी इज टेकिंग योर क्लाइंट बैक टू देयर पास्ट लाइफ. व्हाई? बिकॉज कई बार क्या होता है, बॉडी में कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होती है, सम ट्रिगर्स दैट आर हैपनिंग, जिसका हो सकता है कोई मेडिकल रीजन ना हो.
बिफोर यू गो ऑन, एक चीज़ जो मतलब लोगों ने पूछा है मुझे व्हेन आई वाज टॉकिंग टू पीपल दैट वी आर डूइंग दिस सेशन, पुनर्जन्म and past life, they're different things, right? मतलब not necessarily that I have to be a person who remembers, like, you know, some people are gifted from young. You don't have to take them to past life, they already know. And
Yeah.
this therapy is different, right?
Yes. So people who remember, who can remember some of their past life, again, how many past life we have taken, कितने जन्म हमने already लिए हैं, उसका record is maintained somewhere else. That is a separate record altogether. Maybe somewhere down the line I'll tell about that, or somewhere in the future session. But वो record is completely different, जिसमें पूरा हर इंसान का एक रिकॉर्ड रहता है, उसने कितने जन्म लिए हैं, एक जन्म में सांस तक कब ली है वो तक लिखा होता है उस रिकॉर्ड में. बट कुछ लोगों को याद रहता है सम ऑफ देयर पास्ट लाइफ, नॉट ऑल ऑफ देम, राइट? इफ यू रिमेंबर ऑल देन यू आर ओमनीपोटेंट. तो फिर तो आप भगवान ही हो, आपके लिए टाइम डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट, बिकॉज आप साइमल्टेनियसली एक ही जगह पे सब जगह हो, राइट? बट जो लोग होते हैं जिनको अपना पिछला जन्म याद होता है, उनके उस जन्म के ट्रिगर्स या जो प्रारब्ध होता है जिसको हम कर्मा कहते हैं, वो इतने स्ट्रांग होते हैं कि वो उसको डिसॉल्व करने के लिए करंट लाइफ में ले आते हैं, कि उससे फ्री होने के लिए हम इस लाइफ में उसको वी विल टेक केयर ऑफ इट. एंड द पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन थेरेपी, नाउ आई विल टेक योर एग्जांपल. लेट्स से कि आपको आपका पास्ट लाइफ याद नहीं है, तो उस केस में एज अ थेरेपिस्ट आई कैन टेक यू बैक टू योर पास्ट लाइफ.
Okay. Sorry, I'm listening to you.
So no, that was it. Like, you know, a therapist can take you back to your past life
Okay.
as
तो
compared to a person who remembers.
ओके, गॉट इट. तो ये पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन थेरेपी बोलो या पास्ट लाइफ के ऊपर व्हाटएवर रिसर्च एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस, ये कब से शुरू हुआ? मतलब इसका कोई हिस्ट्री है या कोई क्यों शुरू हुआ? मतलब दैट इज माय क्वेश्चन.
So it's a very interesting question. Past life का lot of people think or believe, you know, कि बहुत it's a very modern thing, बहुत न्यू फैड है, अभी आना चालू हुआ है, मे बी मूवीज ने पॉपुलराइज करा है. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. इनफैक्ट इफ यू लुक एट दी हिंदू कल्चर, पास्ट लाइफ गोज बैक टू योगा सूत्रा. जो हमारे पतंजलि थे, हमारे स्कॉलर पतंजलि, उन्होंने पास्ट लाइफ के बारे में भी, कर्मा के बारे में भी योगा सूत्र में बात करी है, जहां उन्होंने लिखा है उधर कि जिसको आप कहते हैं पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन और रिवर्स बर्थ, प्रतिप्रसव, आई होप आई सेड दैट राइट, प्रतिप्रसव इज बेसिकली रिवर्स बर्थ। उसमें क्या होता है कि यू एक्सप्लोर वाया द मेथड इन योगा सूत्र कि हाउ डू यू एक्सप्लोर योर प्रीवियस लाइफ। Why? Because karmic impression उस लाइफ के बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं। इनफैक्ट नॉट जस्ट योगा सूत्र बट जैनिज्म में भी लिखा है। जैनिज्म में देयर इज अ ब्यूटीफुल कॉन्सेप्ट, अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल कॉन्सेप्ट कॉल्ड एज संचिता कर्मा, which is related to past life. Sanchita karma is basically a it's like it's a very powerful record. बहुत स्ट्रांग होता है वो, एंड हर इंसान का संचिता कर्मा एग्जिस्ट करता है।
Yeah, it comes with the name, no? That means
Yes.
whatever you saved, Sanchit.
Yes, yes.
Okay, there are two questions before we go to the next thing. Sucharita wants to know ki does everybody have a past life?
Very interesting question. Yes, more or less बहुत rare cases में there are souls who do not have a past life. They are very rare. और to find those soul out is like, you're searching for a needle in a haystack. But 99.99% have a past life.
Okay. Next is Sukalyan. He wants to know ki karma, how is karma related to past life? This Sukalyan will not answer this right now because एक मेरा question में है, उसमें ये आंसर हो जाएगा. Okay. अच्छा, Priyadarshini has said that she wants to know about her past life and her elder son because she's facing some problem related to the past. So Priyadarshini, what আমি তোমাকে যেটা বলবো সেটা হচ্ছে যে ঈশাঙ্ক আমাদের গ্রুপে আছে, তোমার যদি মনে হয় আমি তোমার সাথে কানেক্ট করে দিতে পারি, ঈশাঙ্ক ক্যান হেল্প ইউ ইফ ইউ উড লাইক টু টেক would like to do your therapy session with him, সেটা আমি তোমার সাথে অফলাইন কথা বলে নেব। ওকে, hello Rupa. Rupa is my school friend. Rupa is asking, is any connection with nirvana?
Connection with nirvana as in
पास्ट लाइफ का निर्वाणा के साथ कोई कनेक्शन है, या निर्वाणा के बाद पास्ट लाइफ, मतलब निर्वाणा के बाद आई एम गेसिंग the person attains bliss, no?
Moksha basically. Okay, yes, past life and nirvana have a connection. See, how do I put this? जब आपका accumulated karma जो होता है, okay, when I say accumulated I mean all the lives combined, as many, हो सकता है कुछ souls इतनी old होती हैं कि वो सतयुग से they are coming again and again क्योंकि they have taken certain responsibility, और जब वो खत्म होने पे आता है and you receive moksha, you're free. Okay. Then you don't have to come back because आपका प्रारब्ध, आपका कर्म is done.
Okay.
और ऐसे souls के identifiers होते हैं.
I'm sure. मतलब उनका कोटि उच्च होगा, right?
And so one of the most common identifier is we hear like okay, I'll take it's sort of sensitive example but I don't have a better example. As sad as it is, sometimes parent lose a child within 8 to 9 months of them the child being born. Sometimes साल 2 साल में भी baby can pass away, right? In that case there is a very high chance कि उस soul का उतना ही कर्म बचा था, उतना बचा था with that family, with those souls, not even family. खत्म हुआ, gone. It's free now.
Okay. Sorry, I missed. Ishani wants you to talk a little more about Sanchita Karma.
Okay, so Sanchita Karma is a concept. Again Hindu culture का है, from specifically Jain culture में भी उसके बारे में बहुत information दी गई है, but without going too much into detail because Sanchita Karma I find it very fascinating and I'm still doing a lot of research on it. But Sanchita Karma क्या होता है? It is आपके जितने भी life हुए how many ever birth you have taken, they are systematically recorded. उनको record करके एक ascended master जिनको हम गुरु कहते हैं, right, वो सारे उनको लिख के एक जगह पे store करते हैं, and you can access it, but very rarely in the living form. जैसे अभी मैं एक physical body में हूँ, मैं अभी बैठे बैठे इतना मतलब योगी तो नहीं हूँ कि मैं यहाँ बैठे बैठे संचिता कर्मा में पहुंच जाऊंगा, right? But then there are methods of accessing sanchita karma in this life. When you leave the body, then you can access it with a lot of ease.
Yeah, okay. So मतलब मेरे हिसाब से what you are explaining is that depending on where we are in life, like जहाँ पे हम हैं, अगर हम we are within a family structure and we are normal human beings, let's put it that way, and then there are people who belong to stratas beyond us, right?
Yeah.
Who maybe sometimes who are like us but they have more understanding.
Right.
तो उनको मे बी योगा मतलब बिकॉज दे आर इनटू दैट स्ट्रेटा दे आर एबल टू एक्सेस संचिता कर्मा, है ना?
Right.
आपको
Correct.
इस पे योग करना पड़ेगा, मतलब यू विल हैव टू पुट एफर्ट टू एक्सेस द संचिता कर्मा.
Right. Other human body में you want to access, you want to experience, like you know, I as Ishank or you as Bisha, you want to experience in this body, you want to access. So again, past life karma के कुछ methods, past life therapy के कुछ methods can take you to sanchita karma because there are again different stages, and definitely yoga, meditation, this helps. But the moment एक body से soul जब निकल जाती है, when the last breath is there, there are different stages after the soul has left the body. One of the stages is going back to sanchita karma.
Got it. Okay, so Amrita thinks that she was a dog in her previous life, which
Quite
is fantastic, would be possible. And
Yes.
Rupa wants to know कि अगर past life है हमारे, तो हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? कि कोई एग्जाम्पल है क्या? मतलब ये मुझे थोड़ा मैंने जब when I did the reading or when I did my research, Rupa and Ishank, can you please correct me? This is what I found, that some of our traits, like good and bad, like maybe we get angry very fast, or we don't get angry very fast, or मतलब हम maybe we are able to learn things differently than people. Like for me, my learning is it's very visual, huh? When I read or when I talk, everything has to be visual. मतलब सब कुछ मुझे पिक्चर जैसा देखना चाहिए. Only then I am able to capture it. Okay. So when I read something, I read it like a picture. I don't read it like lines. Okay.
Right.
So I read that these are signs that they can have a connection to the past life. And
Yes,
you tell us.
definitely. It is possible आप एक painter हो सकते हो. Maybe एक जन्म में you were a painter, an artist. Maybe you were someone who used to maybe work in astronomy, observing stars, because बहुत सारा observation and visual cue उसमें जाता है brain को. So वो उसका carry forward हो सकता है, right? कुछ लोग होते हैं who are born and उनको कुछ skill set होता है. It can be like maths में बहुत अच्छे हो सकते हैं, म्यूजिक में बहुत अच्छे हो सकते हैं, राइट? दोज आर इंडिकेशंस. एंड जैसे इफ यू आर नॉट गुड एट समथिंग बट यू हैव दिस वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग डिजायर, लाइक आई हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग डिजायर कि मुझे आई एम फैसिनेटेड, लाइक मेरे को बहुत अट्रैक्शन होता है क्लासिकल डांस से, स्पेशली तांडव. ओके, लो एंड बीहोल्ड मेरे को कुछ सेशन में पता चला आई वाज एक्चुअली अ वेरी वेरी well known dancer. I had my own school. तो वो desire and that love for dance उस लाइफ से मेरे साथ इस लाइफ में आ गई.
Okay.
And if I may say, I used to dance very well in that life. इस लाइफ में तो नहीं हो पाता.
आप सीखोगे तो हो जाएगा.
True.
I believe everything can be learned, most
True.
of the things.
Absolutely.
Sucharita wants to know कि does my present life is influenced by my past life?
It can be, yes, definitely. बहुत again depending आपने कितना कर्मा कितना प्रारब्ध you have taken from your previous life to this life. That is a conscious decision of the soul कि मुझे इस life में XYZ प्रारब्ध जो है I want to bring it with me because I want it to be done. So it depends on that. As simple trigger as if uh, any person, like कई बार जिसको हम social anxiety कहते हैं, right? Unknown people in a group, it can make you uncomfortable. It can correlate to a past life जहाँ हो सकता है you have experienced group violence, some or discrimination in a group. So that is triggering that okay, बहुत सारे लोग हैं, I'm going to shy off, I'm not comfortable. Those are your subconscious mind is basically sending a message. hey ये पहले हुआ है, ग्रुप के साथ अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं रहा है, I don't want to be in a group.
तो हमें जब डेजा वू फील होता है, इज दैट पास्ट लाइफ?
That is basically it. The intensity defines it. See, deja vu can be sometimes a very subtle feeling. It can be a very subtle feeling that something similar has happened. That is subconscious telling you quite a few things, but the two prominent thing जो subconscious message दे रहा होता है, that is कि this is familiar, शायद इस life में हुआ होगा. Second messaging can be I can't find it in this life, but कहीं ये हुआ है. Subconscious is not able to figure out कि कहाँ हुआ है, but somewhere this has happened. Deja vu की intensity जैसे बढ़ती है, right? Certain people experience deja vu जहाँ उनको एकदम vivid चीजें दिखती हैं. They're able to view things, okay? Now that is something that is most probably a trigger of past life. For us as therapists, past life can be इस life में, मेरे current life में I'm going to turn 35 next month. So something which I would have experienced at the age of 5 in this life is also past life because it's from my past years. So that can also be deja vu कि कुछ 5 साल की उम्र में हुआ हो, and again the subconscious is sending a message, it's triggering, it's firing off.
Okay. 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 So most of the things that I wanted to know, इसमें एक चीज मैंने नहीं पूछा. What got you interested in past life, and why did you decide to become a therapist?
So to be very honest, my introduction to past life, Star Plus पे एक serial आता था. I don't know. I think I was in school या graduation में. There was a serial called as राज पिछले जन्म का. Okay, that was I think एक therapist ही थे उसमें, female therapist थे, and वो sessions लेते थे, like show में वही, that was the concept कि she would take people in past life. उसमें काफी अच्छे stories भी थे. I remember one, उसमें उनके एक patient थे जिनको कौवों से डर था, like he would feel that the crows want to attack him. उनकी past life में निकला कि उन्होंने कुछ करा था ऐसा जिससे crows actually had an enemy.
Okay.
So that was my first introduction. Then as I grew up, I read Dr. Brian Weiss's book, Many Lives, Many Masters. Dr. Brian Weiss played a phenomenal role in getting past life regression therapy into much deserved limelight. And I was always intrigued by it, and sometimes the universe works in mysteriously beautiful ways. Instagram and reel scrolling, we all do that. And I just happened to come across the reel of my now teacher, जहाँ पे she said उनका promotion था, workshop हो रहा है, 3 दिन का workshop. I was like, let me take it. It ironically long weekend था, Monday भी छुट्टी था उस week का, and I was like, okay, I'll register for it. 99 rupees, not it's not going to make a difference to me. Register करा. Day 1, very interested. Day 2, she did a demo of hypnotherapy. Floored. Day 3, hypnotherapy with subconscious. I was like, I am signing up, take my money right now. So that's how I got into past life regression therapy. And to be honest, I also know via friends कि कुछ लोग ऐसे भी हैं जिनको knowledge नहीं है, but they claim to be past life regression therapist, and basically they mess up the person. It's a very beautiful science mixed with an art, right? So if you don't know how to analyze your client, what they are saying, what is important, you're going to mess up someone who's going through something. So I was like, let me see where universe is taking me now. When it comes to past life regression, I have like आंखें बंद कर दी and I was like, okay, here's my hand and universe is just taking me along. So I'm like, I'll walk along.
That's very nice. So Indrani says that she has a love of Bharatanatyam, which could have come from past life. Sucharita says, can you tell about the future of a person? Okay, I'll answer this and then I'll let Ishang talk. Basically, Sucharita, if you get to know what you have done in your past life or past, and what you've done right, what you've done wrong, you can write your own future. Basically, most of the times future is something that is only it is not, मतलब I don't know, sometimes people can say कि यही टाइम पे आप यही करोगे, यही होगा, but कभी कभी वो it could be open to interpretation. मेरे को लगता है कि future is something that we have been given the freedom to write or to live our own future. It may not be in a box कि मेरा हाथ पे यही लिखा है या कुंडली पे ये लिखा है. वो एक अप्रोक्सीमेशन हो सकता है, not exactly the same. मतलब somebody can say that between January to let's say October I will get a job, which is like an approximation. हाँ कि टाइम मेरा अच्छा चल रहा है कि मुझे एक नौकरी मिल जाएगा, बट ऐसा मतलब आई डोंट नो इफ एनीबडी कैन प्रिडिक्ट कि 15 तारीख को जून के महीने में आपको नौकरी मिलेगा. आई डोंट नो. नाउ ईशांक, यू टेक दिस क्वेश्चन.
So, more or less, I agree with what you're saying. Future is, ours to determine our
Right.
current action. हाँ, past life का influence होता है in the sense of karma. And karma ये नहीं होता कि आपने जो पिछले life में करा है वही है. इस life में क्या करा है? Today, if I'm in a situation where I can feed someone, like, maybe someone is poor and I can give them 100, 200, but I'm like miser, और मैं कहता हूँ कि नहीं मुझे नहीं देना. ठीक है, that is your personal choice. I get that. But is that a good karma or a bad karma? कोई आपसे बोल रहा है कि मुझे भूख लगी, मुझे आटा दे दो, and I'm like कि I know मेरे wallet में पैसा है, but I'm like नहीं, I ignore. So what have you done? You have ignored a cry of help, right? So इस life का कर्मा भी आपका future decide करता है. So future is a lot based on like you said, approximation. Tarot card हो गया, astrology हो गया, angel guidance हो गया, right? Or any other form of divination, crystal ball reading, whatever. It is, in my humble opinion, it is the likelihood of one event happening, probability of one event happening. That is what उसमें निकलता है.
No,
But your action
my
will change.
idea of future is comes from अगर हम अपना भी if we look at our philosophy or Hinduism, from there as well as from Greek philosophy, उनका oracle होते थे, or they had oracles, right? So the oracles were the fortune tellers or the future readers. Like crystal ball comes from oracle, the
Right.
word oracle, and strangely, the oracles were always women.
Yeah.
So it was said that women are able to be more, I don't know, closer to the divine, or able to have the divinity to be able to read the future. But oracles never gave you a straight answer.
True.
They always spoke in rhymes, और ऐसे बोला जाता है कि वो poems में बात करते थे, और predictions are always a riddle for you to kind of find out what your future is like,
True.
So
True.
it comes from there. Anyway, no, now Amrita, to be late now, we are discussing. Okay, so now I'll go back to Sukalyan's question, which is basically he wanted to know how karma influences. और मेरा question है कि what we were just discussing, that past life regression ह्यूमन सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को कितना इन्फ्लुएंस करता है, और उसके साथ कर्मा का क्या कनेक्शन है. मतलब माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वुड बी कि नेगेटिव एनर्जीज के इन्फ्लुएंस कैसे होता है, इफ यू कैन टेल अस.
Yes. So I'll break the question into two, a few parts. First is past life subconscious को कैसे affect करता है, like you know how is
अगर
that.
करता है इफेक्ट तो
हाँ,
कैसे करता है?
करेक्ट. इफेक्ट, उसका इफेक्ट होता क्या है सबकॉन्शियस पे. ओके, सो आई विल गिव माय एग्जांपल. ओके, आई एम अ वेरी नाइस, आई व्हेन जब कार्स की बात आती है, आई एम अ वेरी नाइस ड्राइवर, लाइक आई एम वेरी अवेयर to the point where sometimes I used to feel कि मैं hyper vigilant हूँ. Okay, something I knew while driving would make me uneasy. I just couldn't place my finger on it. ठीक है. Now obviously I thought कि अच्छा हो सकता है, you know, anxiety हो रही हो. आजकल हर किसी को हो रही है. Every second person has anxiety. और like maybe हम उसी trend में जा चुके हैं. Think I was like, okay, let me focus on that. Focusing. Nothing's working out. So in the past life course of, you know, learning past life, there was a demo done on me. Okay, and things will make sense. Like you would remember somewhere last year मुझे vertigo का attack आया था. I think I told you, and
Yeah.
also, you know, I had fainted in office and all of that. This also ties into this. That's how beautiful, yeah, like, you know, your subconscious can communicate with you. आपका subconscious mind आपसे बहुत बात करता है, हम बस समझ नहीं पाते. Okay, so in the therapy session, my teacher takes me back, and I see I was somewhere in the 14th century, Englishman. Okay, और उन्होंने पूछा कहाँ पर हो. I was like, I'm outside an apothecary. मैं कुछ दवाइयाँ खरीद रहा हूँ. She's like, किस चीज़ की दवाइयाँ? I was like, anxiety. So I am at that life, 14th century, buying medicines for something to calm my breath down is what I told. और इस लाइफ में simultaneously मैं सोच रहा हूँ ये तब से चला आ रहा है. मतलब 14th century से चला आ रहा है. So she's like, okay, तुम्हें घबराहट क्यों हो रही है? कहाँ हो तुम? I'm like, मैं बहुत crowded area हूँ, मैं, यानी इतने सारे लोग, they make me uneasy. Again, current life also, I don't really like too much crowd. I like my limited space. I was like, okay, makes sense. I'm relating to it. My subconscious बता रहा था मुझे. She's like, okay, what is happening around you? I was like, बहुत सारे लोग हैं, I can't handle this, you know, too many people. So she's like, current you is feeling, yeah, the one in the past. I said the one in the past is feeling very anxious. She's like, okay, move ahead, see what is happening next. What are you doing? I was like, I have a father. I think I don't remember who was my mother, or, you know, in that life. But the prominent figure was father. What father used to do, he and his friends, and that life, I mean, I have not met that person in this life, they would beat me up. So what is happening? Group of people beating me. Association क्या हो रहा है subconscious में? Group of people inflict violence. उनसे दूर रहो. अगर एक से ज्यादा लोग हैं, वायलेंस के चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं. Stay away. इस लाइफ में क्या होता है ईशान के साथ? I get uncomfortable.
Okay,
Then,
so you could understand how old you were?
yes, I would be around 18 or 20.
Okay. So
Yeah.
basically you are saying कि translation of the group violence, if it is 14th century, we are now in the 21st, so about 700 years
Yeah.
of your different lives has translated into like, मतलब आपको ज़्यादा लोग देख के परेशानी होती है, अनईजी होते हैं.
जो मेरे को, I couldn't understand why, but now it made sense कि क्यों हो रहा है. So, and yeah, so one thing led to other उस life में, and you know, turns out उस life में I used to work in my father's factory. मुझे factory में काम करने की इच्छा नहीं थी. I wanted to be a writer in that place. But उस factory में एक machine था जिसका motion used to be like this. So गाड़ी का steering wheel, when it was going like this, my mind was getting uncomfortable. So वो motion, subconscious mind is like, oh, this is happening again. ये तो करना ही नहीं है मुझे. So subconscious mind इस हिसाब से आपके current life को impact करता है.
So now do you still after understanding कि ये कहाँ से आते हैं, do you feel better? while driving?
I do. In fact, I'm very relaxed. I'm like, I think mom will also agree. मेरा confidence level बहुत बढ़ गया है. I'm like completely chill. I'm like, you know what, जो हुआ था वो 700 साल पहले हुआ था. In this life, I'm more than enough to handle things.
That's sweet. Okay, now the next part of the question, which is what somewhat what Sukalyan asked, कि हमारे जो पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन है, तो वो कर्मा के साथ कैसे लिंक्ड है,
Right.
एंड हेंस जो नेगेटिव एनर्जीज होते हैं ना, कभी कभी मतलब sometimes you have negative energies and you don't know why you having the
Right.
negative energies, है? तो उनके साथ कनेक्शन है क्या?
Yes, connection होता है. Okay. So, okay. I'm trying to figure out how to give a very nice explanation, because this is a very interesting question, a very nice question. और इस question के लिए, like, you know, इसके within past life therapy there is a separate section for helping clients with this, and it is one of my favorite methods to do on my clients. And it gives phenomenal result. Time लगता है but result बहुत strong आता है. So let's take an example of negative entity. Let's say there is a person X. X is experiencing possession. ठीक है, something is trying to possess X. इस life में X क्या है? Is a victim of possession, right? What about the life where X was a perpetrator? हो सकता है X ने किसी पास्ट लाइफ में उस एंटिटी को टॉर्चर करा हो, मारा हो, या ब्लैक मैजिक करा हो, जिसके वजह से वो एंटिटी इस लाइफ में परपेट्रेटर बन गई, is taking revenge. And it has happened.
Okay.
One of my client, it happened where she used to experience a lot of anger, especially towards Hanuman ji. उनका थेरेपी में निकला that she had an entity. So I was like, okay, entity निकला, well and good. हम disassociation चालू करेंगे. There is a disassociation process. We are doing the energy exchange. I'm like, ask the entity, कहाँ से आए? So the client is telling, इस life की नहीं है. It is showing me something. I was like, see, turns out around 16th or 17th century, she was a he. तो जब वो he था, वो बहुत ब्लैक मैजिक करता था और उसने किसी की बलि चढ़ा दी थी. तो जिसकी बलि चढ़ाई वो इस लाइफ में उसके पीछे आ गए कि यू किल्ड मी, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एग्जैक्ट माय रिवेंज. So we had to give it peace, and again there is a way of doing that. We honored that entity, we gave it light and released it out of the auric space. जो हमारा ऑरा होता है जिसके अंदर ये घुस जाती है, वहां से हमने उसे रिलीज किया.
So basically ये अच्छा sorry, basically ये कर्मा भी है, right?
Yes.
So it balances out like that. Okay, yes, Indrani, ladies do have more psychic power because
Yes.
It is so said that because we have been given we are fortunate and we have been given the ability to give birth.
Yes.
Hence our psychic powers, and we hold the child for 9 months, so that you are actually growing a human being inside you, and hence you have that kind of psychic power more, in the sense like you are physically made stronger. I'm just going to talk in Bengali for a little bit, don't worry. যারা বলে যে মহিলারা শক্ত নয় বা মহিলারা মানে শক্তিমান নয়, তাদের জানা উচিত যে because we become mothers, nature already has made us special. একটা ছোট এক্সাম্পল দিচ্ছি আমি, যে comparison to a man we have some, I don't know exact number, আমি ভুলে যাচ্ছি, but very very large মানে percentage of smells আর taste আমাদের বেশি হয় as mothers. This is a part of evolution basically, because mothers are able to smell out the bad and the good and the bad, and secondly is taste আমরা মানে we do better than men because you are able to taste what is good and bad মানে if there is poison or not you are able to take care of your baby. So if you look at it, men and women have different kind of powers, and for women it is yeah, psychic power is more as much as other powers. Sorry, I got a little
No,
away
in
from
fact,
it.
I have something to add to that. I also, again, speaking from some experiences, I believe women are innately more powerful. And if we look at it, आपने एक बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल दिया प्रेगनेंसी का. प्रेगनेंसी इज व्हाट? एनर्जी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. उस 9 महीने में वो एनर्जी इज डेवलपिंग, शेपिंग, ट्रांसफरिंग, इज ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग, right? So that is a very rare thing. Nature में only women can do that.
Only females can do that.
Yes.
Every species, the female is the
Correct.
childbearer.
Yes, only she can do that. The
Yeah.
she is very powerful.
Very powerful. Okay, Sucharita wants to know that is it true that if you do bad, then karma will also do bad to you? Yes, it is true in the sense it's not like, you know, I beat you and you beat me. It comes in a different way. And the person who has done bad to you will also get his or her comeuppance or karma at some point of time. मतलब karma is not ऐसे, it's not like this. कर्मा अभी अभी
Yes.
नहीं होता, कभी कभी होता है, कभी कभी ये भी होता है कि यही लाइफ में आप कर्मा देख पाते हो, बट कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि उनका कर्मा, उनका टाइम, उनका लाइफ अलग होता है. इचांक.
True. Yes, I agree to that. Karma, like you said, it's not instant. It's not like 2 minute act to popcorn. But हाँ, कई बार situations होती हैं. But again, उसके permutation combinations अलग होते हैं. In cases where you know karma का इसी life में फल instantly मिल गया, in 99% cases is going to be one of two situations. One, ये last shred of karma है which is playing out so it can burn off. Second, it is a new karma और उसका एनर्जी वाइब्रेशन इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग निकला है कि यूनिवर्स हैज मैनिफेस्टेड इट इंस्टेंटली. यूनिवर्स वाज लाइक ओ समथिंग न्यू, संचिता में ऐड कर देते, मैनिफेस्ट कर देते.
I used to always tell my mother that very bad people or people we think are very bad, why are they living for so long when good people are dying? You know, ये सोच आते थे ना कभी कभी, क्योंकि लगता था कि इतने अच्छे लोग इतने जल्दी चले जाते हैं और कितने मतलब एटलीस्ट हमारे साथ मतलब आपको लगता है कि बुरे लोग हैं लेकिन दे आर लिविंग देयर लाइफ, दे आर हैप्पी, दे नथिंग सीम्स टू गो रॉन्ग फॉर देम ना, होता है ना कभी कभी. तो मॉम यूज्ड टू से कि देखो सबका कर्मा अलग है, उनका मे बी उनका पास्ट लाइफ में उन्होंने अच्छा काम किया है इसीलिए ही इज हैविंग और शी इज हैविंग a good karma this life, even doing bad. It will change again. So Nirvana is calling us vampires, the mothers. Because we have better hearing, better smell, taste, etc., etc. So we are vampires. Thank you so much for all the wonderful thing that I did to give birth to you, and losing blood and things like that. Thank you for calling me a vampire. It's okay. Okay, Veena wants to know that does the soul choose the parents?
Yes, it does. So okay, very interesting question, mom. How this happens is, okay, now in this body currently my soul is there, but when, and I have seen this in one of my sessions when I went into in utero stage. I went into the stage when मैं मम्मी के पेट में था. आई सॉ माई ओन बॉडी, इतना सा छोटू सा काइंड ऑफ थिंग, यू नो. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज मल्टीपल सोल्स आर ट्राइंग टू मेक होम. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम व्हेन द बेबी इज मूविंग, एक सोल एग्जिट होके दूसरी सोल एंटर कर रही होती है टू फिगर आउट कि इज दिस द राइट फिट, फिजिकली, कार्मिकली, स्पिरिचुअली, is this the right fit? So that's why sometimes the baby is moving from one place to the other, kicking the mother. वो जहां से मूवमेंट स्टार्ट होता है. इन माई केस मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम व्हेन आई वाज एंटरिंग और एग्जिटिंग द बॉडी, इट वाज थ्रू द फीट. जब आई वाज इनसाइड माय मदर्स यूट्रस as a baby, as an unborn baby. So multiple souls are trying, and at a spiritual level, the parent soul and the child soul वो कहते हैं ठीक है हमारा fit सबसे closest है because our karma complement each other. हम पहले भी इस जन्म में मिले हुए हैं, तो we decide to become family.
But ये बताओ, अगर if multiple souls are trying to come in and go out, so the baby from the embryo stage as the baby grows, it's live, no?
So that movement, okay, so that soul selection doesn't happen that moment of conception, it will not happen. The fetus will have to grow thoda. It generally happens somewhere near the end of first trimester to the beginning of the second trimester. उस बीच में जो soul, again ये souls वो होते हैं जो parent soul को जानते हैं, they have met in the past life, but then वो synchronity नहीं बैठ रही होती, तभी there are different souls in the wait.
This is very interesting because you know, the whole idea that you should not abort because it's alive, it's living. Even at a embryo stage, like if it is as small as this, like life starts with 2 cells, it's a living thing, right?
Right.
So this is very interesting to know कि heartbeat तो होता है, मतलब heartbeat is what you will see, but the soul, okay, soul is not heartbeat. Soul is your I don't know
Soul,
what. How do I explain? The soul is your you. Soul is you, right? Soul is you.
So soul is you. One easy way is जो हमारा solar plexus होता है, नाभि, जहाँ पे umbilical cord जोड़ा होता है, that is your powerhouse. That is where the soul resides. So you see, by the time the baby is reaching that stage, stomach area and वो solar plexus या नाभि, navel जिसे कहते हैं, that area has developed. That is the time the souls are like, okay, baby is coming, I can decide whether I want to be in this body or is it a good fit, not a good fit. Again, इसमें भी कर्मा का बहुत बड़ा हाथ होता है. The karma you have selected, I as Ishan selected certain karma. They had to complement my parents' karma. तभी उन्होंने भी बोला ठीक है, you come to us, you come back to us. We have met in previous life also. इस जन्म भी आ जाओ. We accept.
And when does the soul kind of settle into the?
So that is around 7 to 8th month. That is the time where the soul is like, okay, this is my body now.
So
And around that is the time the soul forgets also क्या कर्मा लिया था, कौन से मास्टर से मिले थे.
Okay, so this gives rise to an interesting point that I have, a little sad but interesting point. So let's say that when a person has a miscarriage, is it possible that the souls could not agree to stay on and hence the baby was not born?
Possible, that's one possibility, but another possibility is the soul that came in had only that much karma with that family. उतने महीने का ही कर्मा था और वो होते ही the soul had to depart. So a miscarriage happened.
And also it should be there in the karma of the mother and the father and everybody else to go through that sadness, the misery, the loss, right?
True.
So it's a karma is not just my karma. Karma is my accumulated karma. It involves everybody around me. है ना?
Everybody. Absolutely.
Okay. So Sucharita says, अच्छा, one thing I want to know that everyone says whatever God does is for good. But what if a little child dies? इसमें किसका अच्छा हुआ? ये आंसर, ये टॉपिक सुचरिता we just discussed. What Isham said was, however sad it is in terms of not being able to have a baby or not being, for the baby not to live, अच्छा किसी का नहीं है. वो जो बच्चा था या मतलब उनका कर्मा या लाइफ उतने दिनों का या महीनों का या सालों का था. So once it finishes its karma, it gets free, right?
Yes.
That's what we discussed.
Absolutely.
So it's not about good or bad. So nothing in life is good or bad. It is about it's more philosophical than good or, कोई मतलब ऐसे कोई क्या बोले, बिल्कुल वाइट बिल्कुल ब्लैक नहीं है. लाइफ इज ग्रे.
Correct.
ओके. सो बेसिकली सैडली वो जो सोल आया था, जिनके भी पास आया था, उनका वो सोल का उतना ही जर्नी था. इतने दिनों का, इतने महीनों का, इतने सालों का जर्नी था. And then
True.
the soul goes free. So yes, it's sad and it's not about good and bad, but that's how things happen. And then Nirvan is saying that only, sorry, Param Brahma can choose exactly which womb to be born. Yeah, that's true. Param
Hmm.
Brahma is a different, is Param Brahma. We are not there. According to Egyptian mythology, there are two parts of the soul, the Ka and the Ba. So, Ba is base level animated consciousness which develops into personality and behavior, and Ka is the life essence, which is ancient. So, actually, in Hindu philosophy, also there is an sorry, existence of Ka and Ki and Ba. These words are there. If you study Rig Veda and others, Shabdagulo, these words are there to explain the life essence. Actually, they explain the divinity in you, which is your life essence, basically. You are
Hmm.
divine because you are born
True.
from the Param Brahma, right?
Correct. Yes.
So,
Yes.
past life regression में uh, नो रानू नो प्रॉब्लम. पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन में एक ये चीज़ आई डोंट नो इफ ऑब्वियस यू मस्ट हैव कम अक्रॉस कि हम सोचते नहीं जानते हैं कि वी आर ऑल एनर्जीज, राइट?
Hmm. Hmm.
तो
Yes.
जब व्हेन वी पास अवे, व्हेन वी लीव आवर मॉर्टल
Hmm.
बॉडी, हमारे जो एनर्जी है वो कभी कभी जब कर्मा खत्म हो जाता है, वी
Hmm.
गेट अब्सॉल्व्ड इनटू द परम ब्रह्म.
Yes. Yes.
So basically that means that all the past lives, all the karma has been taken care. वो वहीं पे आपका वो संचिता कर्मा आता है ना?
हाँ, राइट. उस टाइम पे बेसिकली संचिता कर्मा का जो रिकॉर्ड्स है, दैट इज लाइक द बुक इज नाउ क्लीन.
Okay.
द
So
स्लेट इज क्लीन.
you are back to, you're back,
You're
you,
back to origin, back to source.
okay.
You go back. Yeah.
What is your most important learning from regression therapy? Veena wants to know.
My most important learning is actually, कि हम अपने आप को सिचुएशन में कई बार देखते हैं एज विक्टिम, विच इज फाइन. इट इज अ नॉर्मल रिएक्शन. कुछ गलत होगा, आई विल सी माई सेल्फ एज अ विक्टिम कि मेरे साथ ये हुआ. वॉट अबाउट द टाइम वेर आई वॉज द परपेट्रेटर? वॉट अबाउट अ लाइफ वेर आई वॉज अ परपेट्रेटर? हमने बेसिकली दैट विक्टिमहुड का जो ब्लैंकेट होता है ना, हम इतने अच्छे से, लाइक स्नगल्ड अप इन इट सो नाइसली, लाइक ओ इट्स नाइस, टोस्टी, अटेंशन मिल रहा है, सिंपैथी मिल रही है, एम्पैथी मिल रही है, चॉकलेट मिल रहा है, कि हम उसे पकड़ के रखते हैं. हुआ समथिंग बैड, ओके, ट्राई टू एक्सप्लोर अ पॉइंट, अ लाइफ, कि आपने तो कहीं किसी के साथ कुछ नहीं करा गलत, जिसके वजह से आपके साथ गलत हो गया. So that was my biggest learning. A victim will always be a perpetrator in one life, and I have seen lives where I have been a, like, completely opposite from what I am right now, like, in this life, and I've been a very I've been a perpetrator, let's just put it that way.
Given the hot topic of the day,
Hmm.
did you see yourself in Hira Mandi by any chance? Sorry. Could not, I just could not stop myself. I have been, I was listening to something today about, movies basically and acting and things like that, and there was a discussion between the we are going a little off topic, people, sorry, but it adda. So basically I have loved the movie Lapata Ladies. তোমরা যারা
I've
দেখোনি,
yet to see it. I've yet to see it.
so please, I would say, who haven't seen it, please go to Netflix and see this movie. Frankly speaking, I am, it's, I don't know how to, it kind of makes me feel like watching movies because मुझे ना आजकल मूवी देखना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, इतना डिप्रेशन, इतना कुछ, मतलब इतना सैड सा, या तो एक्शन, you know,
Hmm.
this is like, so it has been very nostalgic for me. It's a very very linear film, हाँ, कोई complexity नहीं है मूवी में, but it's so feel good. I can't tell you how feel good it is. Like you will get invested in the story. Okay, so the storytelling has been extraordinary.
Hmm. Okay.
So I was just listening to this कि between हीरा मंडी and लापता लेडी, so I thought that ईशान को तो ये पूछेंगे कि previous life में कभी वो हीरा मंडी गया था या नहीं.
अभी तक देखा नहीं है, बट मे बी हु नोज किसी एक लाइफ में.
Yeah, this needs to be during the 1925, you know, that time 2540, or I don't know from from when Hira Mandi existed, but just a joke. Okay, so Nirvan wants to know what is the connection between the soul and the Kundalini.
Okay, very nice. So, Kundalini, we all know that in Hindu mythology or Hindu culture, I'll not say mythology, Kundalini हमारे is basically the essence of Shakti and Shiva. And a true spiritual master, जो गुरु होते हैं, जो सिद्ध गुरु होते हैं, वो कुंडलिनी जागृत कर देते हैं. The Kundalini stavas also beautiful chants, they're extremely beautiful chants. तो सोल के अंदर जो परब्रह्म या परशिव या पराशक्ति की जो एनर्जी रहती है, that basically in a very simple word, that is kundalini. And when it starts moving up, when it basically it is sleeping in a coiled form like a snake, and when it starts moving, our scriptures have defined it, you know, that sarpakriti is nidrita, अर्थात it is sleeping like a snake, coiled like a snake, and जब वो उठती है और ऊपर चलना चालू होती है, it has to reach the सहस्त्र. जैसे जैसे वो यहाँ पास आते जाती है, आपका spiritual awakening और होता है, your desire for spiritual path increases. Okay. So that is basically happening because you are doing good in your karmic life. So now the time is coming कि आपको गुरु के पास जाओ, भगवान के पास जाओ. बेसिकली कुंडलिनी वो कह रही है कि आपका कर्म अच्छा चल रहा है, अब दूसरा पथ पकड़ो, कैच होल्ड ऑफ अ बेटर पाथ.
So does past life regression help, to wake up the kundalini, or to
So
does it have any
up,
does it have
waking
any
up the kundalini, I am not sure on that, but it can have a effect on the kundalini because आप अपने कर्मा को समझ रहे हो, your understanding कि क्या हुआ. Because see, one of the critical step of past life is something called as catharsis. Catharsis is the analysis of that life, क्या क्या events हुए, क्या नहीं हुए, and liberating a lot of energies. कई बार past life की souls get stuck over there, तो उनको भी liberate कर देते हैं catharsis में. It's a very very beautiful and a very powerful phase, ending phase of past life therapy called as catharsis. So उसमें imagine you have liberated certain trauma, certain energy from the universe, from your karmic record. So basically it will appease the kundalini, like you will be one step closer for her to awaken.
Kundalini is a her?
In my point of view is her, because kundalini is a devi, at least the school of thought that I follow, हम उन्हें कुंडलिनी देवी कहते हैं, तो it's a her.
Okay. Indrani has said something very beautiful, saying that every saint has a past and every sinner has a future.
Absolutely, absolutely, very nice.
So, Ishank, we don't have much time left for today's discussion. So, before going, tell us one story, not story, I'm sorry. Tell us one good experience, interesting experience, like you said about the 14th century and all of that. एक इंटरेस्टिंग सा अपना, या अगर आपने थेरेपी क्लास में किसी का ऐसे कोई इंटरेस्टिंग सा एक एक्सपीरियंस बता के जाओ.
Yes. So, okay, there's barely 2 minutes. I wanted to share two, but ठीक है, I'll share.
नहीं नहीं, टेक योर
Uh,
टाइम, ऐसे नहीं कि
take your time.
हाँ.
Okay, ठीक है, ठीक है. So, I'll share a very nice experience. मेरा experience, okay. Uh, Many years ago, 5-6 साल ago, I had adopted a Labrador, Sunshine. She was literally मेरी sunshine ही थी वो. Very perceptive of my emotion. मैं अगर उदास होता था, she would keep her head over here on my chest, you know, अपना paw here trying to hug me. I was very close to her. घर में, no matter who would be there, if I was there, I was like, you know, she would be with me, eat with me, sleep with me, kind of a thing. As life is, we lost her, and recently we brought a dog, a beagle, Leela. She's very hyper, that's a different thing. Right? Nothing is safe from her, she's in puppy stage. But मेरे regression therapy में, in fact, even before I could see it, one of my fellow students, जिनके ऊपर मैं practice कर रहा था, she started describing sunshine. मेरे regression class में कभी किसी ने sunshine की photo देखी नहीं है, and I'm not connected with the batch on Insta. I was like, yeah, that's sunshine. She was like, dude, she's Leela. I was like, okay, I completely believe that, because Leela day one से sunshine vibes दे रही थी. And in one of my own sessions, I saw Sunshine. She was sitting right next to me, and I was like, "Hey, तुम यहाँ क्या कर रही हो? I really miss you." And I'm looking at Sunshine, and she transforms into Leela.
Wow.
And I was like, "You came back. You finally came back, because I missed you. I really missed Sunshine." So I was like, "You're back." And yeah, I mean, it's a different thing कि Leela को अगर Sunshine बोलो तो she doesn't remember, तो वो ध्यान नहीं देती, but she has very telltale signs कि जैसे Sunshine मेरी पूंछ बन के घूमती थी, ये मेरी पूंछ बन के घूमती है. Leela has to be close to me. So I'm very thankful that, you know, I called out to her, and Sunshine decided that, okay, I will come back just to be with you. It was a very sweet thing.
Very sweet.
Yes. And the second one is, ये साल के शुरुआत में मैंने टिकट बुक कर ली बनारस की. एकदम वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग डिजायर, बनारस जाना है, कभी नहीं गए, पता नहीं क्यों जाना है, पर जाना है. एंड आई वाज लाइक, बनारस में मुझे मणिकर्णिका घाट तो जाना ही है, लाइक, यू नो, मणिकर्णिका घाट, आई वांट टू गो देयर. Again, not understanding why, like, you know, why am I dancing to go there in my mind? One of my past lives, which I saw, turns out I was an aghora. मणिकर्णिका के घाट पे बैठ के मैंने तपस्या करी, and I have done occult practices in that life. I don't know why my soul wants to go there, so maybe we'll do a part 2 after I'm back from Banaras if I get more insight. But yeah, that's the one thing that, you know, past life is taking me there. So I'm like, ठीक है, कुछ तो होगा वहाँ पे. God wants me to go there. मैं भगवान का भरोसा करके I will go to Manikarnika Ghat and see what happens over there.
You can't go to Varanasi until and unless Vishwanath calls you.
So I'm hoping he has called me, because सारा tickets वगैरह सब हो गया है, and I'm just praying that, you know, I first, of course, I'm
सब कुछ ठीक ठाक होगा, वो ले जाएगा तुमको अपने पास, in the sense like वो different kind of thread pulling होता है,
right.
है ना? तो it's not, I won't say it is not because of your past life, but trust me, I have heard my father say this pretty much जब से I was born, as in if I can remember, from the time I can remember, that my father used to strongly believe that Kashi, as we call it, Kashi or Varanasi, में अगर जब तक विश्वनाथ जी का मन नहीं होता है, आप नहीं जा पाओगे, और उनका मन होगा तभी आप छोड़ पाओगे. वहाँ पे आपको उनके मर्जी से चलना पड़ता है ना? तो आप
True.
उनके मर्जी से जाते हो, उनके मर्जी से वापस आते हो, है?
True.
ये उनका जगह है, मतलब. So I have seen Kashi as a very young kid, so I can't tell you. I can only tell you that I remember, but I was very young, so I remember. वहाँ पे कुछ है, जब तुम पहुँचोगे, you will feel it.
I'm actually, you know, with bated breath. अभी तो like I'm going in a couple of weeks only, so I'm like, I'm one day more close, one day more close, you know, like I'm very excited to
हाँ,
do that.
इट्स लाइक जब वहाँ पे पहुँचोगे, वहाँ का जो वाइब है, वाइब नहीं बोलूँगा, वहाँ का जो एनर्जी है, यू नो, दैट वी हैव रेड अबाउट ले लाइन्स, द
Yes,
द
yes,
पावर
yeah,
लाइन्स,
yeah,
और दिस इज अ ज्योतिर्लिंग,
hmm,
right? In the 12 Jyotirlings, this is one of the Jyotirlings.
hmm,
Um, and it is associated with the zodiac sign of Dhanu or Sagittarius.
okay,
So, in your chart, wherever Sagittarius is,
hmm,
that area gets lots of blessing.
uh, okay,
Okay, so past life connection to hai, Kashi is very different. Everybody is saying Kashi is different. Okay, so thank you so much. And frankly speaking, we have to have a part 2 because बहुत कुछ है जो डिस्कस करने का टाइम नहीं
yes,
मिला।
yes,
তোমাদের সকলে নিশ্চয়ই পছন্দ হয়েছে এবং তোমরা সকলে কমেন্ট করে একটু জানিও যে এটার সেকেন্ড পার্টটা আমরা করব আফটার ইউ আর ব্যাক ফ্রম বেনারস, দ্যাট উড বি দ্য
yes,
বেস্ট
it
টাইম টু
would
ডু,
actually,
है ना?
yeah,
So we can do the whole Varanasi thing and past life together once you're
yes,
back. Okay. Thank you, Indrani. Hai Didi, Gita Di, Kashi is different. So Nirvani is saying that definitely some past life connection to the temple. Hoga. Agar Aghora, you wear an Aghora, it will be. So
yeah.
this conversation needs to continue.
It does,
It
yes,
does need
there's
to
a lot
continue.
more.
লট মোর অ্যান্ড যারা পরে দেখবেন তারা আমাদেরকে জানাবেন কীরকম লাগলো। যারা ইউটিউবে দেখবে এটা পরে, প্লিজ লেট আস অলসো নো ইয়োর কমেন্টস, অ্যান্ড অ্যাজ আই সে এভরি টাইম, সাবস্ক্রাইব, কমেন্ট, শেয়ার, লাইক, শো ইয়োর লাভ। উই আর নট আ বিগ, আমরা খুব বড় একটা গ্রুপ নই, কিন্তু উই আর গ্রোয়িং, অ্যান্ড new members who have joined, welcome. Ishank, thank you so much for your time, and
Thank you.
we are going to catch up with you post Varanasi.
Yes,
Okay.
definitely.
And Veena, we are looking forward to welcoming you next Friday. সেই বলে এখানে শেষ করছি। গুড নাইট এভরিবডি, সকলের উইকেন্ডটা খুব ভালো কাটুক। নমস্কার, গুড ইভিনিং, বাই বাই। Please subscribe to our channel Hana Tales. Comment, share, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos. Please subscribe to our channel Hana Tales. Comment, share, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos. Please subscribe to our channel Hana Tales.